Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to display images and videos when they are posted as links to your chat on Discord. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the U tab on your profile and then select the gear icon up at the top right to open up settings, and then scroll down and select where it says underneath app settings, where it says chat. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says when posted as links to chat, underneath display images, videos, and lolcats, toggle this on or off depending on your preference if you want to display them. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.